Anglo. Anglo. Pagu. Pagu. Anglo. I said now dry, but you know, it's not grammatically correct, but you guys kind of get what I'm saying. Zan is and. Zan. Zan. So that is the connector between your sentences. So your tingi. Your tingi. So now we're going to go over itingi, ifetsa, the date sentence format. Now you want to learn how to write the date in Fino Tsamoru? Here we go. Okay. Hita konsigi mona. Ifetsa pagu nahaani tuluani diha hugwa gi imes madzu gi isakan hugwa na talan gai hugwa na fulu na gai fatfa. So I basically said today on, oh shoot, hold on. Just meant to do it. On Tuesday, the 2nd in the month of May. Oh shoot, I'm so sorry. I'm saying this so wrong. I'm basically saying today is Tuesday, the 2nd of May, and then 2023. So how we would write the date in Fino English is just February, or no, just meant to do Madzu or May 2nd, 2023. But in Fino Tsamoru, you would have to spell it all out. You cannot, we don't use the number, the slashes and the dashes, okay? So, hito konsigi mona. Hito konsigi mona. Dispense it. So, ngay an. Remember, ngay an is when. So, we have pagu. Pagu. Today. Now. Nigap. Nigap. Yesterday. Yesterday. You leave all your troubles in yesterday and yesterday. Nigapnya. Nigapnya. The day before yesterday. Agupa. Agupa. Tomorrow, in the future. Agupanya. Agupanya. Day after tomorrow. I cumpleaños. I cumpleaños. My birthday. Y cumpleaños blank's birthday. You insert the name and that's their birthday. So put ejemplo would be y cumpleaños Paige y cumpleaños Julio Pates or something like that. Dispense to do. I need to study more because I don't really know. Timutungu, I don't know. E blank would be the blank. So E is always the. Imapusnya, last blank. Imapusnya, blank. Blank before last. Imamala nya. Imamila nya. This coming. Ima ila nya nya. Ima ma ila nya nya. This coming. Okay? Esta, okay? Simana. Simana. Hafukumekileknya. Simana, day of the week. So we have Domingo. Hatsani. Sunday. So Domingo, Fino Tsamoru. Hatsani would be the Fino Hatsa, our indigenous tongue. And then we have, repiti talo por favor. Or repiti. When I say